Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the currency in the Trivago application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the preferences section, click on the currency button. And if you scroll down, you will find all the available currencies that you can set within this application. So if you found yours, then just click on that and your currency is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.